McBrown's Kitchen. Adina Petto. McBrown's Kitchen. Adina so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
McBrown's Kitchen, Adina Petto. McBrown's Kitchen, Adina so. I was here for Adina so. And that's what Jaconia is answer the McBrown's Kitchen, bro, life, a few film. Madame was a pea, and nay, Baba, ye, Diane, a Diana, ye, no, about Bobusiani ye pie, and Colano pay, until I will 10 years and query, why. Mamma Boff was a high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. High sense in high sense in high sense in. I am come and also a high sense in the beer. Me pacho P. Tasty Tom, the only tomato mixer, vitamins and fiber womu. And I say strength comes from within. Would depend Emma Wefe, Emma Wahodin, Matmi yo, Numenina. Launcher kitchen, Sano, Jumenia, launcher, Metoswanoma, sorry, Mama Mijade, I fair. Sana, awake purified drinking water, one for life. I may be a high sense free, you know, say, awake yana menum. Royal drinks is so ha. I mean Africa saprekon. One for life because kakrebia obetobiano. Ye used to be a cambom edekobwa cardio center okolebu. Inti Mr. What a good cause. Mummy mwa aweki kosono na kolebu so for so ana omusu nyam so faso. Ebusu for Borges olive oil na yede babe yediane. Borges always the best. Mrs. Awudi ayema honam. Ayema wakoma. Yes, sir, ubedi Borges, the beer. Medasipi. Royal Kitchen were in Chanson and the Baba Yedian and Anim Dintra because Emma Median Yasenshi. And as I would pay beatoa, Nabotre. Before somebody showed me the woman number betuja. Now what to me from now no my business. I was for Empress. Mariana, debut a car delay and then Kwakumi. A fear delay, Sanwa Jumani, delay mackerel and sardine. Nampa don't penny peche like that. And now her matter dear Shemna say off yeah. A Nicoline, a palms chemi. Between you if Lisa Del GH. Me do munina number be gumi Instagram page. Now here on my wide wash show mu. And then me crew be dear nyonyo na be feedi crew no. Me dear, me guest be feedi me. And no nyonyo me da say. Mama me twa me homra. Na nama McBrown. The McBrown's Kitchen. Bros is here. Brim.
Madam Hisense.
Mera fefe. Unya bibiana.
Ani o Madam Hisense. Ejumenti ya na me impontem. Nti na nka me pe microwave bi baako. Na ya me de aka me nkwan no me for e papa bi hye. Na ya so hwe we no rice cooker no. Na nka me de ano amo eni ampesie no metumi nya adaaje. Ahwe me series ne kama.
Mera. Me mo wana.
Madam Hisense. Me de gas cooker na me hia o. Me e caterer inti me hia gas cooker me de be nnuane different. Na at the same time na sanso oven na me de be bake. Na masade agrele me na.
Madam Hisense.
Hello.
This year dem person me boa me here in kitchen. Na me here blender. Blender me to me dia nyam dia boa no. Na fe so me to me di aye juice dia man kola no.
Abusiafo, say the demand na doson. Obi aso ne request. Me ba cha mumra. Wunyina mumra. Every 18th October, I come 8th November. Hisense garden yamenyina. Ya titi so say. I am the first ever Hisense kitchen appliance promo. Gas cooker, electric cooker, rice cooker, microwave oven, blender, kettle, steamer. Hisense yamenyina ye papa. Entry power. You use so nya den. Na dia ye dia Hisense yamenyina ye stainless steel. Intiamano nyinachi. Wokachi niama dada ni nyina. Amra so say wupie gu baabi. Na tutu mika ko Hisense showroom bia. Can who say ya titi so say I am the first ever Hisense kitchen appliance promo. Hisense everyday prices for everyday people. Ene edru meso se me di abusuan hia mu yeni. Se di mu nim no. Omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba hobi. Ti say uncle ni school judge no.
E was say who di kra no to school foforo mu.
Auntie ama. Subai muja.
Unse me so dodo.
Ena mekuma. I will see mu judge.
Debbie sister, want to mend your sister.
I was say we nya kokodro won hihye ye bia obeye ho. Impo se nipa nyina na wonya adwe. Emum ade ba kwa won nyina gitum ne waduane no adedede ni hwam papa bia awon de dro wo mu.
Any fair any said your paste na pi. Na ye the fiber any vitamins aka wonti. Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix mabusua ni nyina aduane a ede. Esanso ma ho den. Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
351-251.
McBrown's Kitchen, Memo Akwaba. I was for a many young, beautiful, talented songstress. And never be yediane. Na, me penase. Me GD say who when you beg jipa. DJ, hit me. McBrown's Kitchen. Adina pa Ede. Hey. Let's go, Adina. Baby boy. Really gave you all I had. It's a shabby boy. Me time for Brahma. It's a shabby boy. Never thought would end up this sweet. It's a shabby boy. Me the mama, such a silly boy, baby. And yes, I'm making me so I don't have it all, but your time is out, baby. You don't go find anybody who will love you like I did. But it's time that I moved on, baby. Let's go. Let's hear it. I need you. Yeah. But I don't move on, baby. I don't wish you all the best, though. I love you. It's too late. Na 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 na. Adina, need you. I don't move on, baby. I don't wish you all the best, though. Thank you, DJ. Na 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 na.
Okay, come through.
But your very I ye be ye duane. Inti hu hia se be den. Ye be hohoro yensa. But also ye because I didn't want to cheap. I was here for McBrown's Kitchen. Adina musician. To say best vocalist.
Best female vocalist.
Best female vocalist. What Jane Bear say?
Me
In 2 times, right? Hey, see how when watch VGMA 2 best female vocalists.
Nyamiado.
Nyamiado mwampa. Adi akwaba. McBrown's Kitchen and never been one day.
And then they Gary photo.
You're
Gary photo.
very Gary photo.
Aye.
Okay. When you say Diania, a beam bar me show you suda.
Sir.
There be a Gary photo had that.
No more training.
Oh, be a train.
Yeah.
The right time no soon. Patchowns you near.
That's
Aye, mommy BMC amount. Yeah, Baba Gary photo ebusian for Adina. Yenhwe ye ingredients I dey be Gary photo.
okay.
Yeah.
The kind Gary and then the main
So tie din no e
Gary photo and say
That's right.
Important say me boni din first.
That's right. The no no.
And can say we there just for you mpacho also sorry can say yeah can say yeah not just say. Oh, your friend starter. Oh. I watch it. Crowd.
1 or 2?
2 now they won't reveal na.
No because I the 2 shall be 1 to give me.
David, you then I'm so family.
What the
How do you want it? Family sanshi.
Oh, fancy here. See ahoro.
Yeah.
Ya oriensa, ya ahoro bibia mo so wa kama. I was for McBrown's Kitchen. And I did been seen a BSc. I didn't have a Gary photo. So I have been my hada. Starter so pass here, starting show here. I break really. I'm sure be my hada. Why not for the starter before the Gary photo? I the young quantity where meaning from home.
Because we
starter. Yeah. You are right.
Nti ye beef nso wa ha no. Nti ye won chine so wa. Ye was seasoning. And avocado.
Aye.
Nti ye wo ginger.
Avocado.
garlic. Yeah, well, mekonsuaha. And I want tomatoes. And I want bell peppers. There were yellow, green, and red. And I want Jane.
Carrot.
Yeah, Jane and I want carrots.
And I have kusia.
I want kusia. Once I didn't hear you, sir. Obi to Gary, but say we're here for Adrian.
Now, who delay macro tasty Tom?
Aha. You've been here and so for. So, angwa.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
And I didn't emphasize your consent.
Okay, it's the first thing. I'll say you prepare your meeting.
Okay, Adina. May the chance is also a bad day.
I'm this one.
And I'm the swan. The upper beer.
Yenchiri now.
There ain't also say when you. I didn't know where Jenny.
Me a fancy me, and I'm Papa for South Africa.
So some fancy.
Ejumako Chromim, any mando.
Mando.
Aye.
Meaning our area.
Aye.
And South Africa.
Aye.
Oh, I'm in a cross border now, Papa, a cross border.
Oh, we now cross it, Ecosia or Liberia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But when you were
in Ghana.
Ghana.
Aye, but South Africa, me, Anna. Me call Debbie, me call honum, I call identify with Omunti. Me style, me be idea. Remember, me props.
Oh, okay. Area banner when you need.
Wow. Me sopano. Na eti Kwashibu. Me back me call class 6 in Yamayama. No, to Santa Maria. Which is not too far from
Kwashibu. Yes, I would the same N1 as one idea. Wow. Anyway, you best stimu ya namno. Yahu be beer.
I am a blender. I like to slice it in kakanka like.
Oh, ever blend.
A powerful blender.
Yes.
Okay, me.
High sense. Abusha about high sense showroom. Ain't you know? Yeah, blend way now.
The thing is, me used to be so for students. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
And so into our bedroom.
No way to make me for. I don't know, Johnny.
Mimi eater.
Adobeni.
I'm not a cooker.
Adobeni. Adobeni found some many.
Adobeni. What? Say oh. Aha. Inti Adina. Uko suku whatever.
Said to say I'm a kind. Yet not now, baby.
Infant secondary school.
Okay.
And I saw JSS.
Yeah.
Into infant JSS.
Rex Academy. Rect Academy.
And no way Kwashibu.
Aye.
Okay.
We are smart.
Too much smart. Until free 1 hour school at
Wesley Girls High School.
Wesley Girls
High
School. And no free 1 hour interview.
Central University College.
Hey, sir.
Who said I'm in slang? Central University.
Until we shall I didn't know what you're trying to name. Sabre, or some blended garlic, ginger, and a Jenny. Me and son aircon. Mary.
Hey, say powerful.
I am very powerful. Our high sense, where you are titus to say who? You are titus to say who?
Okay.
Into your decor.
I'm just saying, bro, but
no problem. Yahoo be beer. Yahoo be beer. Yeah, nam. You was here
stew. Usually, no say good so we beef one there. Who dey will season me go one. Na one man at now for sometimes for marinate. But for the purpose of showing, yeah,
time no.
The fancy just
okay. Energy. Enti ye wie ho. Nsuo wa asa wo hia bia.
Yeah, me shut down person didn't feel very big.
Only I just brought it.
Also no unse juices were nam dada. So the see just one and nsuo na
arere mo
anu. So yeah, me see be just.
Oh, okay. Enti say
we need it for stew.
All right, na me dey see ho. Na ye nya ne den.
Actually, be soja.
Be soja. Ho. Adina, what's her name no? Say,
Ndamzi.
I know they say South Africa for there.
Me papa din.
Adina Ndamzi.
Nti.
Who school na near the floor?
I know the amount for but in Dempsey, in the school for name, Ehuro.
And in Dempsey.
My family with that.
Now, one a palm on Yama.
Any probably well, just a few people really. Barely palm some.
Combination.
I was in your cassette. And ya tire no, nipa no shot tire here. It be why whom he has so baby.
Any pan or shot idea. And
you have to wear the dress. But you bet me share baby.
And you bet me.
Because person mean blending in your man.
Patricia. Until you share no issue.
Yeah. I can't issue. We never post.
Nina become one pa. Or ba panono. Na time na who so bet me at on.
Oh,
we are quite funny, Biana.
It's why I'm not to you more.
Until you have blended, we are better one common. Maybe you so. You pour that one too? You are blending toast so.
So we need to make one. I propose to sell some flavor be.
Yeah. Or a guy. Okay.
And Pemako. But you are every when need you make one.
I need you home pie, baby. Okay, let's go. Okay, Adina me yue meko. E usafo we de me ya ma no. Meko.
Me da se.
It's a blending.
Yeah.
Me yi blender na fe ye twitwa e carrot. Adina time ben na oto nyom as in first single
2008. Me winning stars of the future way.
Aye.
So now yeah I was assigned to a record label.
Okay.
EKV Records. Not Minister Stavek and I was same label. Yes.
Okay.
And you know, the first project I'm here and we kicking a Troy. Your friend don't judge me. So what's it? Only God has a right to judge me. You're not God, so don't try to judge me.
Now we'll be a kiki pass on new mark no man to ye.
And don't pen a release bab on thing.
Oh, okay.
But now you go studio the VR we used to, record a new degree.
Well, next song by
music.
Mini
J so I am music, the rhythm to make you fly. Sing a melody with all my heart. And to name and Jumwe, you need to let me go. Just let me go. Mommy go.
I know you're there.
Aye. But that time I'm in Adina. So, what's it make me din? When till I'm Adina no. You mama boy now nim san coming boy Adina.
So what more do you know Shem? Inti baby boy Yana the Adina no start Yana.
And no one dear. It was another song be reaching this Adina and mama.
Now I'm free Adina no so. And no ye dinim wo. Adina.
Aye.
Why not trust Hanyon?
I know Kill Beats, any King Promise, Troy. Manager, only more very good relationship.
Manager, no.
Kwame Fachi.
Oh, okay.
You do say better, no? Me, who is who send me a songwriter.
Okay.
You know, see, oh boy, be a certain man King Promise and yeah, popular.
No, Nyanya Promise.
I see me what guy be very good, very good. Because friend about us is here, oh baby, into your train car.
And I promise to buy.
And no buy.
And over Troy.
No, Troy.
Nina.
But not. Kill so no idea nti ono abeka se be ha yen ni se
e ho na obeto good so
ai nti me so there and one me there no wo trauma me me say actress no
unya script na dia you deliver
assume me role no then I give how it's supposed to be.
I didn't know so your fun says I'm ready to fan to moja kakra o nkafra fanti way and I did mo anne metie wonyo no new one
Sika
hi wanna try
Sika Kitty dear meaning I'm not sure menjo makuma
bombe kunkum che
yeah and
DJ bombe sa anyum no bombe kunkum che sesi a Adina people they take me for a book hey people they tell me say you play me for a book I know they I want you be my baby boo my daddy with them ade my mommy kum kum check kum ade hey I come on sa. Me jolly. Me sweetie. Wanna Betty. Tum tum run yeah. Me well, we have a guy for Tanani, Gusno. You chucha and man say, yes, that is tuna, passion, na kwana yakon. I didn't know my essay.
Me, I mean by 5.
Oh, no, Papa.
Only papa mean.
Okay.
But 5 no back way from me.
Oh,
my first born.
Now then, I'll go school. For school, then I'll go see and now over so to no one.
Because mama chedi. So my me that means that. And I school so here. You know? So I go school because it is necessary. And I mean, so says me come me talents no huna.
Over to me. Me
drew higher stages.
Yeah, but she is still Nasiana. And now be Bibi say one, I'm not Bibi Kase.
Bibi Kase kakra.
Bibi Kase kakra. All right. Pacho. My Bibi Kase not ready.
Thank you.
Ube here and was so dear. Me were Borges, me were. Nina olive. No garlic one. Nina out.
Then garlic no. Garlic. Garlic. It's a garlic, a very. I'm moving the superfood.
Any.
Thank you.
I didn't still ya obey on. The person who knew song no near the tune.
Sika.
I sika.
Okay.
And then I motivate you. Only no discuss bibi and out no ordinary petrol.
Literally, you studio where you starting. No, so what do you want to sing about? Or what do you want us to talk about this time around? And there were some ladies in the studio.
Yeah.
Nabakuka said money. And I was like, you know what? Yes. Because money is money and love, really. But here we are, Sima Odo Papa, a friend Odo Papa. That's it. Mostly people lose sight of what real love is. The amount for him, so your bema. Now when you stack a crap, it's easy for you to find a woman because we believe you say Obama did was car, you know. But that should not equate to love. So that was very important for me. Me and Kase, my mama for Nijuma, and Jessica, there you.
Young Kase mo be trying a girl.
And I Kase me mo be Nijuma, Jessica, and Chile. Sa, Kasa, the American say, or don't Kasa me real connection with our partner. Mostly we lose sight of that, and that's very, very important in a relationship. Because there are some people are almost as can't be they are not happy because they don't have best friends. Inside you have to marry your best friend. Yeah, that's really what I'm talking about.
Okay. Why we try for you back to you know. You concentrate to Adina no. And you cheer nam no.
Because I'm teaching him kaka.
Okay. Also for yeah stew now. Now you cheer na me. You go back to anyum no. Sika no. DJ. Boy anyum no ma wate. And you're not me at tuning now. Adina. Diana Sylvia. Hey. I never done. Santiniba. I got my own.
What I say?
You got me.
I know you just want to
undress me.
That's what you wanna
try again.
Try again.
Ooh, since then you say by my love, oh, you come by my love. Ooh, you think say you feel by my love, oh, my love, oh. Hey, I don't want your money.
I just want your love, you know. Before show me
something better.
I want you.
Hey.
I just want your love, you know.
I want.
Before show me something better. No see before.
I dancing with ya. And say, Mr. Otia, show me something deeper. I dancing with ya. And say, Mr. Otia, show me something better. You feel say you feel by my love, want your loving, oh. I want.
Show me something when I see
Auntie Mr. Otia, show me something deeper. Auntie Mr. Otia,
show me something.
oh,
I just want your loving.
thank you, Mr. DJ. Hi, and you're ready, Papa.
That's
And you're ready. Oh, big up, kitty, you know. Why are there, power? You're very
creative guy.
very creative. But I said, you're too, you know. I said, what say, baby? Auntie Mr. Otia, show me something deeper. I was about tasty Tom, tomato mix. Called Adina stew, Nemo. Aye,
Can't you say it to go? Like plastic.
Thank you for that education. That be a mekan. Internet, for me met it in the sea. Me better me tasty Tom na gume alaka plastic papa pam. When you na Royal Kitchen we for na deba. E craba wo na ton. Ne bo no da form e papa.
See a nice stew no. A system. Person me infanto sim. I mean
Enye gari no.
Gary.
Okay. Another bowl. Monsieur.
No. Gloves.
McBrown's kitchen no bibi a Adina. Ye ni ati. Say we show me TV so no usa.
Aye.
Me wa.
Yeah.
TV. Me imagine TV so 18 years.
Wow.
Into TV now was I
12.
Wow, into 18 plus 12 years.
30.
You are 30 years. Hey, me come back 26 oh.
I'm say mommy I'm fair man say want to be mommy hey na me try na me.
Come on 26.
Nah.
Now say me to say we do birthday.
Aye.
Into happy another belated happy birthday.
Aye. That's
may God give you life.
Amen.
Tia usa for ya be Gary. Aye, Gary photo ni stew ni sijaso. Dia ka ya Gary no.
See. Pese me measure me Gary no.
Okay.
Enipa
me ensa na bedi. Oti ye ni nipa for aduane.
Okay, this should be okay. Although you didn't go in, but just for
and also Benyan taste.
So more still there.
Yeah. My mom stew. Remember a week. We a special Gary photo. Into a week near the befra.
Gary photo aduane. One take care. Uben with just maybe Angabiana because it's really Gary photo.
Yeah.
Now I prepare way be a fra but unsa Gary a carbohydrates into try so the at least Superman I balance kaka.
Yeah.
Cause we share meat no ehun share that here but obi wa how per se onya enough protein.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And maybe not make sure video no best female vocalist. Me category no na me ni pe wo mu a. I wasn't expecting you.
Really?
Oh. Me tea na na ma me start to say me tea no.
Wow.
And I was like, okay. No doubt.
That's.
And I know many also felt the same.
That was the thing that made me appreciate it even the more. Because time I'm winning, you know. Obia man tito obia come baby that say
you don't deserve
it. You didn't deserve it. So for me, that was like that made me very, very happy. And I appreciate
you deserve it
very well.
Yeah. And so you're trying na time na nema we mu be.
Beba, enti na me kan my photo, my fiti.
What fiti?
My fiti photo neri.
Ti enkata so wan e betu.
Enkata so for.
Adina who go school so be then? Central University.
Me go school na me say metu ni mo.
But then also
Environment and Development Studies. At some point I actually wanted to add it to the music somehow. Me who say na me here but
I know it better take you time.
Me nye ejuma to say dey be am to office, but me influencer of some sort because this is a platform. I was saying me to me I raise awareness. I'm my starting initiatives be a be running in the background while still me music.
Yeah.
My member me question na me whiskey. So
yeah,
anyway, very rich.
Yeah. Kosiani delay macro so be come.
Aye, to me
Oh,
the
okay.
fra.
Oh, okay, ne fafra. Eyi nam no. Nam no so. We dey fear be hey.
Ade so omba.
Obeba.
A choke. Okay, good.
Okay. Delay macro. Nampa dompenim. Adina.
Maybe I can.
Hey. Into Kosiano ne macro ne kom.
Yeah, me mix it. Into when I say jollof butter
Gary jollof. E kom. Wow.
I rich.
Papa.
Wow.
Papa.
Peja.
Into time ben a carrot no ne man baba.
Me di beguma no.
Okay.
Yeah. To see ya. Because one person be been too much. Yeah, we say esa egumucha na nane.
Your veggies no. Bell peppers no so bem. Ene me lo no cry bi. Ah, na Adina nonsense e wo to bi.
Ayo.
Me wo social media na nkura bebre to onyum.
Aye. You call tour with South Pacific. Normal friend of Seki Fest. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, when in fashion sir.
Yeah. Menjum killing me softly by out me. Now for me who says social media and force send this and messages say we love your song from Samoa. We love your song from Fiji. We see I'm in Australia. And see the messages kept becoming consistent. Me who say no. I said markets view.
If you
tap into it. Okay. And not already so not promoters maybe I send this and messages.
Okay.
So we just followed up on it and I call him.
And no now I was Brian ko here nyom. I was there for. Me was so to me. Me wana ne aje. No, se cacho más sano.
Como leo. Como é sei lá.
O mire.
Zanku.
Owa. Let's go. My baby. My baby. I'm so happy for you. Yeah. I was at work. Yeah, I got what about yes, I didn't hear dream.
Sisi asi unu di abin.
Abin on me lo no kwa we
ye.
Yo ho.
Aka say e betre.
It's a bad necessary.
Me person enjukitue bi.
Okay.
Ansa na me dey afra because unse still heat na asem. The reason why man fan go so ha me. Person be fufu.
Oh. Before I saw ye be fra no. Me person say abonyo no bio. Sika no.
That's true.
Aye.
I love
Hey, ganyo ni bag my own. Now so we am running around the show.
I know you just
want to know that now they are show. What's it?
Maybe I'll
now they are show.
Wanna try again.
I'll try again.
Ooh,
you just say you'll be by my love, oh, baby, my love, oh. Ooh, you just say you'll be by my love, oh, my love, oh.
I don't want your money. I just want your love. Hey, hey, I want you to show me something
better. I don't want your money. Even you wait me download him.
Apple Music, baby, yeah, all the platforms.
Spotify.
And Spotify, baby, yeah, Deezer, Apple Music, SoundCloud. That's it, baby, yeah.
Baby, yeah, how about you me download it? You know, McBrown's kitchen, you want me to make a difference.
And the video is on YouTube now. It's a beef so frau.
Adina say
no, I am rich. Opa, you can leave it like this. Na stew nin kind.
Okay.
Ofa Gary photo na no etikakra. Me say me did your love still me per sauce.
This
how we yes uncle for bia.
Okay.
You can always add more sauce from
more stew no so dia. Na say you Gary photo no.
That's about it.
That's about it.
Yeah, but aka you know
avocado.
Yeah, avocado.
I know the best fan now see to try gusu keke garnish. You wait to try gusu. And then I to make a commercial break about.
Yeah.
You better try one, but then sana mekono. Mami fast that say my high sense. High sense everyday prices for everyday people. Munim dada say a titi ebi aso. Everyday be that be a tibi so. Until you say everyday prices for everyday people. The crowd be a home person. Sana tasty Tom. Strength comes from within. And until the end tasty Tom. A yema Obia. I was for awake purified drinking water in super and a no. Launcher kitchen, a jade closet, and a bad dear. Won't mean sign launcher phone. Borges olive oil, always the best. And sana delay mackerel and sardine and pardon premium. Me chance papa am de no Adani. If you royal kitchenware for. Uma min chame home basi sia. Edition time.
Madam Hisense.
Mera fefe. Unya bibiana.
Ani Madam Hisense. Edwumenti ya na me mpontem. Nti na nka me pe microwave bi baako. Na ya me de aka me nkwan no me for e papa bi hye. Na ya so hwehwe no rice cooker no. Na nka me de ano amo eni ampesie no metumi nya adaaje. Ahwe me series ne kama.
Mera. Me mo wana.
Madam Hisense, me de gas cooker na me hia o. Me ye caterer, inti me hia gas cooker me de be nnuane different. Na at the same time na sans wo oven na me de be bake. Na masade agrele me na.
Madam Hisense.
Hello.
This year dem person me boa me in kitchen. Na me ya blender. Blender meet me dia nyam dia boa no. Na fe so meet me di aye juice e dia man kola no.
Abusiafo, say the demand na doson. Obi aso ne request. Me ba cha mumra. Munyina mumra. Every 18th October, I come in 8th November. Hisense garden yamenyina. Ya titi so say, I had the first ever Hisense kitchen appliance promo. Gas cooker, electric cooker, rice cooker, microwave oven, blender, kettle, steamer. Hisense yamenyina ya papa. Entry power. You use so nya den. Na dia ye dia Hisense yamenyina ye stainless steel. Inti amano nwe na ache. Wo kitchen ni amada da ni nyina. Amra so say wo pie gu baabi. Na tutu mrika ko Hisense showroom bia. Ka hunu say ya titi so say. I had the first ever Hisense kitchen appliance promo. Hisense everyday prices for everyday people.
Ene edru meso se me di abusuan hia mu yeni. Se di mu nim no. Omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba hobi. Ti say uncle ni school judge no.
E wo say wo di kra no to school foforo mu.
Auntie ama. Subai muja.
Unse mom so dodo.
Ena mekuma. Awusiesie mu judge.
Debbie's sister. Want to mend your sister.
E wo say winya akokodro won hyehyeye bia obeye ho. Impo se nipa nyina na wonya adwea. Emum ade baako a wonyina gitum ne waduane no adedede ni ni hwam papa bia awon de dro wo mu. Eni fe eni se de paste na pi. Na ye de fiber eni vitamins aka wonti. Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix mabusua ni nyina aduane a ede. Esanso ma ho den. Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
2351251.
Charlie, why? Who know the?
Masa, make you no can disturb me at the play game. And you know, if you have one of your training bar, who be tree me cook, but you try the tomatoes, go to delay my grand, go to the corner can manage. Yeah, what you know, Papa?
Masoka.
The man can't walk on a one chantre and to tomato sauce or some ice cream. delay mackerel in tomato sauce.
Nampa dompenimu.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your grills. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
McBrown's Kitchen for Adina pa ede. Edition time. Ya baba bedidi. Adina Gary photo. Ya gana shino kama petua. Ya baba di. Adi ubedi.
I love me saying.
Give away time. Yay. Adi bemme. Bemme ne say dino. Adi. Adina we shall not say Adi. Adina. Me sponsors. Obiara pewa ha.
Wow.
Me pa chow. Hamper if we Tasty Tom. Tasty Tom semen from mouth. Omu dance is about McBrown's Kitchen. And a delay mackerel and sardine. So you know. Borges olive oil. Apple cider dancing. Bulgarian rice. Etia. And standard flavors nina. Borges semen from mouth. Madam Hisense.
Yes,
what is this?
It's an iron. It's a iron.
And what is this?
It's a rice cooker. Wow.
Yeah. Hisense semen from mouth. Me fan dawase.
It's only damas.
Yeah. Royal Kitchen where say me fa pudu nyina mouth.
Wow.
E chance set. He ehemu 4. Ni nyina ye de chew. Ansa na so we down has you know Casapreco.
Aye.
Yes. Casapreco for so nsa no adwumani. I work purified drinking water odia. Royal drinks and also count Royal Cola, Royal Apple. Inti then I be can sponsors. Sponsors. Adina da mu nyina se. Ye ba be di ebusuafo. Ansa na be di no. McBrown's Kitchen. Me fans doso. Enu nti ende akonya mu hu ya brante pa bi dia. Wa follow me baby ya. Me picture bia so comment. And my mom say yes, I don't know. They say we have real love. You find the Jensha, Adin cry. Yeah. Oh. Hey. Uncha me hag. No. Hey, Adin cry. When they can crave you. Adin cry. Can crave me. I won't just space, guys. Can crave. Aquava.
Yenna.
Baby, Yenna. Tunasia. Adina. Ye be did you? Me pacho wana be one pie.
Wana bon pie.
Me ana me mo. All right, ye mama ye one pie. Onya me no kwafo de odi ama ye ni. Ye ba be di na enya hoden. Ye enya hoden mo. Me mfa show odi en munyam. Ye da se McBrown's Kitchen. Adumti amen.
Amen.
Hi. Me hu ya na opese odi aduane nyina.
Isa.
Eyamba.
Ya me di ni nyina mum.
Adina ebedidi. Serve yourself.
Sir.
Aye. Oh, Gary, what up? Na se de import ye. Yeah, come. I did I told ya. I wanna di kind. Wanna hear yenti. Serve yourself. Wow. Mental. Okay. Mpesa udi dodo bia o pebia. We say pa to say. Nyama McBrown's Kitchen park we tumi eyo ho. Bema pa.
Amen.
You want how many spoons?
1.
Yeah.
Okay. Gentle.
Onya gentle ha. Oh, come on, me dey say unim say ye kono raw baby ah. Ye be didi. Wow. Adina. I want some matitu.
Me.
I'm a titi.
My number.
Mema na momrem.
You
will be fool. Pen no we be.
There be.
Me fa ni na.
Oh, there be 3 be. Oh.
Adina, McBrown's kitchen.
Adina
pedo. One tonium come from Adina. Wow. I was have your baby Didi. Adina special Gary Fotono. Ani. And no na ye bedi. Adina come up McBrown's kitchen there. Oh Adina.
Who ne pa?
Mpacho say what a new song no. Sikano.
Yeah.
That girl be now what I say. I know about man.
Oh yes, I want new.
One
Pescano.
Aye. Guys one trying or done here. Because any jano kan uncle. Oh wow.
Jams are minya bio.
Hey. Oh dance no benya bi. I did grab a McBrown's kitchen before say be didi no. Okay, what do you need answer? Okay. Mommy Didi. I was for ye Didi Gary photo Adina. Yo. It's very nominal expensive this year, sir. I did grab a McBrown's kitchen. I didn't know to say. Okoye.
Pa.
Gary na udi na answer them.
Me kwa me na mo. This is jollof bi.
Gary jollof.
Gajo.
Hey, we are guy watching. You see me what time? Yeah, Gajo, ladies and gentlemen.
Gajo. Minim sa wo do me. And I want Adina.
Okay.
So ni Adina there.
Adina.
Asemba ko pen na ka wuhia ne kwan mu a. And when your opportunity we beside Adina.
It's not them a penalty.
Hey.
A penalty.
What penalty?
Oh, I should not check. It's another question maybe son.
Bisa no.
One
pen.
This a question about what?
It's Adina.
Yes.
Me can channel bro. Chi. Hey. So Adina, oh yeah, like how do you work under pressure?
How do you work under pressure?
Maybe so chimu.
I have to find my calm space.
Okay.
To me, what I know how to do very well is once I can't share my dream, say this is what I'm doing now. I can enter that space. It's a psychological thing. Because the pressure there's all around you. But in the midst of it all, find the one thing that calms you down. And start from there. I don't know if you understand how I'm saying it. Because pressure there, but in the midst of it all. So maybe sometimes I take the purpose why, the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. Say I have a show. It's a big deal. I'm nervous. I can now think about why my main motive for that particular show. Because every show has got and now my mom. Me, I always give myself a motive. Say, and I'm dreaming per se. When I finish, people should walk away talking about me or something.
Yeah.
So when I'm getting stressed, I'm like, no, remember why you're here.
Why you even started your career?
In the first place. Remember why you are here. So I zone in on that. And it gives me like some calmness.
A tree program. Yato. Hey, kuse.
I saw the tree.
Girl, deep.
Yeah.
What? Me to tree be anu mani aje me tan to tree be one kind. Kuse mam sreba. Mam chance mam sreba.
Sreba ni true.
So say the way I can sreba. Na you. Anyway, Adina. We do anano. Ede. McBrown's kitchen dem nya hun di obeba begu no hanu mas. Ede pa.
That's.
Adina we didn't come up bebre.
Yeah.
But you concentrate on new single. You see the offer the apani eden.
Piano.
The piano. New single. So far release a woman say.
Interestingly, many good reviews. Maybe releasing not me skeptical because me say I'm saying most and I'm for my band. Omadiani sika. Odo kakra sika kakra ni identity. Even though I say make an about woman. I don't want your money. No. I felt saying it might put people off.
Okay.
So, you know what this money is saying? I want the money. But interestingly, a lot of people are understanding the real Asema Ame Pakam, and they are also supporting it. So I'm happy.
Do you have any tour program that we need to see?
Yeah, I will say a sign called back on tour. It was South Pacific, and to me, I call all the places. We only went to 5. Yeah, we only went to 5 places.
Obi to no South Pacific, who South Pacific?
New Zealand, Australia, Samoa, Islands, no. Polynesians, no more. Into New Zealand, we went to New Zealand and some Australian places, Australian cities, and then Rarotonga. Rarotonga, Cook Islands. It's basically a long way from here. Literally like 20-something hours of flights. But interestingly, a Ghanaian song is big out there, so we have to make sure we also serve the people. So by the grace of God, we'll go back to New Zealand specifically to sing to our New Zealand fans, because my sister are biggest like fans. They see maybe I call in the car, so they keep messaging me when I come to New Zealand. So yeah, that's what I have.
Adina, you want many
Adina.
When you are confusion.
Sure.
I will do anything for your love.
For the Gary.
Who started to carry a pa can crab back? Assemble a copper pan at 2. Namen Quanka, we are giant too.
Wow.
We never
Semi jai.
Baby at 2.
And Yama see, but say, like I said, mean to you, be ha.
Maybe the minion to maybe the year summer can say. Meaning, but starting young tree. Was starting young to assemble now. Ebia owns assemble the team. We are started the American some baby and our baby and our performance be uncle.
Yeah.
Who started to carry? Then our family owns away the team.
I mean, usually in some sense to see our social media, right? You know, people are always.
I don't know anything about you. And no other one.
No, and yes, me per se, but general conformance and someone can say, sister, ebony, a few more. Omo to suffering say you move in enjum. Yeah, enjum ni way I think of for attacking. At that particular time, na me ankasa me grieving. To have people come and attack me for something I will gladly do, because this is somebody that I loved and had respect for, and all those things that it's like the people don't even realize they also so grieving. Those things are painful, but people don't realize that they're mature. They are speaking to human beings, and we have feelings like them.
Yeah.
So that particular thing was a bit extra for me.
Almost
say shushe na I'm say boni post video bi say obebisa enfofo bi say person ni omo yenjum a omo ni omo to we na we want try mani we ade na we yenjum man sa asemi kana me ti da nya enyo wu ya nka minim say obebisa obi okobisa nkofo bi say but in the heat of it all, we are also grieving the same person. I'm one because I'm feeling passionate about. So why would you
things and
like me that time? So conform know that I don't pretend. So you can tell I'm a passionate singer. When you hear my music, you feel that's how I am. And to say me, be nice it's me, but necessarily I'm a developing thick skin.
Oh, okay. And then they overcome
abeshime.
Adina did McBrown's kitchen baby.
Oh, I think. Am I uncle right?
I ain't got the drama and you food. Sorry, young girl be show. Once you're passionate, said the way on Drew level. Maybe so tuneful. No man who say, like you're saying, what develop then thick skin. And then more before my son will develop. Sabi I won't cook a quaim and our own jai.
To be, I don't know what you want to be. So episode journey, and yet it's not easy at all. But always remember why you started. Remember the one thing that fuels you and makes you excited about wanting to be a star. And when you are going through the hardships, my known ginger, keep it. Let it keep you moving or keep on pushing.
Sanity.
Yeah.
Adina, that's so bad McBrown's kitchen. What?
Me das.
Bema pa. Me das so bad McBrown's kitchen. What?
Me das.
But before some call you book you, mommy. Adina.
Yes.
Launch a kitchen for some for book you, mom.
Okay.
So what project be a ya? What about McBrown's kitchen point? Umbe yi so 40%.
Oh wow.
Amount.
Me so there projects baby.
Omuye kitchen, omuye bar, omuye closet. Inti no. We there we ne kura book na kata na awunkombo so wa inti no. We ne ra 40%. Ya titi so say. Adinka.
Mama.
Adana me child ya na me ma obi.
Come in to see you. Come in to see a cry.
Adinka me se me ma obi.
What's it?
Hwe.
Eh.
Me di ka ma Borges ba kon.
Mat me das.
Ai. Ud ene ye num ye di ye de sra ye di bibia.
Mam fan revival.
Utimi de revival so. Ai. Na chance so free Royal Kitchen wear for ho.
Okay.
Se wunya obanku bi pa na fufuo bi. Na so betwe mutuo bi ni ade a. We na de betwe Royal Kitchen for se memfama.
Okay, me da wase. Me da also ase.
Aha. Na me so me cha obankuta.
Eh.
Where dey from McBrown's kitchen? Mama chance we pa dia. Ene bankuta na efo. Adinka. Internet here. What is it? Papa view. Over na so was school.
Me was school. Nafti.
Who you the directing na?
Me broadcast journalism.
Broadcast journalism. Wow. Instagram your first oh.
Adina _.
Me na ma me nya de honjo da. Adinka hine _
Yeah.
Me that's so bad power. I mean sure so follow me.
Amen.
Now contribute to everything I do.
Amen.
I mean sure.
Amen.
Ediane no so
koyi.
Ekoyi wa ho. Me that's pa. Adi. I mean sure so bad what say.
Sana family for family I do.
Nta Adina there.
I know.
What I say nya ben pe na. I was for McBrown's kitchen here. Ediane pa ede. Madam sponsor say high sense, tasty Tom. I work purified drinking water and the royal drinks, Madam was say. Launcher kitchen, Madam was delay mackerel and sardine. Sana Borges olive oil and royal kitchen wear for. Number royal kitchen wear for. Frewo mu 055-996-7002 and that's 020-813-8885. Sanso na se net McBrown wire fair. Mata dey fi Nicoline GH or Instagram. I said the opam na direct. Okura wa timi nya bito na wa hyewa de. Me makeup ya Adina. Alice so betumi akoyo classes na aboa. Ena me hair yi, me wig yi. Women helmet yi so fi Lisadel _GH. And also so person from so betumi from 024 060 1558 Felisa Del na kwa Juni Madam wase ha na mne mu be say ye be share na otwensa na ba nsa na be kon DJ Bosikama me wate Bosikama me
Yeah.
Akama be je kwa akama yiwo I say to me create formation dance. Let's go. Young one say.
No, young boy.
Okay, young one. Say yes,
baby, I'm going
something in bag of my own.
Hey. Just want to hey. That's what you want to try again.
Try again.
Try again.
Hey, it's Mr. Otia. Show me something deeper. It's Mr. Otia. Show me something deep. Oh, you be say you be my love, my love. Thank you, everybody.
Say you be my love.
McBrown's McBrown's Kitchen, Adina Petto. McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen, Adina Petto. McBrown's Kitchen, yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, Adina Petto. McBrown's Kitchen.